for aiding and abetting money laundering. The committee further directs that investigations be conducted to establish whether there was any complicity on the part of the Central Bank of Kenya and or any of its members of staff in aiding and abetting the theft of public funds at the NYS and the Ministry of Devolution and Planning. 12, the Directorate of Public Prosecution should immediately prefer charges of aiding and abetting money laundering on the partners of the following law firms: MM Gitonga Advocates, Ogola and Mujera and Company Advocates, and Singoei, Murkomen and Sigei Advocates. 13, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations commences investigations into the conduct of Mr. Hilary Sigei, the managing partner of Singoei, Murkomen and Sigei Advocates, with a view to instituting criminal charges against him for the withdrawal and use of Kenya shillings 500,000, being proceeds of crime from the firm's client's account for its personal benefit. Number 14, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations should launch investigation into the circumstances under which the Consulting House Limited and its directors, in collusion with officers of the National Youth Service, were paid Kenya shillings 12.5 million in excess of the contract sum during the implementation of the NYS 5-point vision rebranding contract, and institute charges on the firm's directors for perjury and handling stolen funds. Further, the directors of the Consulting House Limited should be investigated to establish the circumstances under which they received funds in excess of Kenya shillings 100 million from the ministry and the service over the audit period. Should the investigations establish that these funds were irregularly acquired, recovery measures should be instituted against the directors individually, in addition to appropriate charges being preferred